Welcome to Madclash, where motorcycle crashes aren't just accidents, they're full-throttle mayhem. From brutal street stunts to high-speed police motorcycle chases, it's a wild ride through chaos and destruction. Grip it, rip it, and survive the madness. Next is the moment when the police chase a motorbike at high speed on the street at night. Very dangerous. The chase ends with a head-on crash into the police car. The driver is immediately handcuffed by the police. The motorcyclist was moving on the road when suddenly a woman ran across the road without looking. I'm glad there was no collision.
Holy shit!
GT 650 motorcycle rider crashed in heavy rain. The bike and rider slide on the road. Always be careful when traveling in rainy weather. Oh my God. Motorcycle crashes on the road when the tire suddenly rolls on the road. Luckily, the motorcyclist is still safe. The motorcyclist in front collided with the car, causing the motorcyclists in the group to be startled and have a series of motorcycle crashes. Luckily, no one was injured. Crash situation when the motorcyclist miraculously close calls. I'm glad he's safe. What? The Jeep crossed the road carelessly, making the motorcyclist angry and loud.
You're in the middle of the road!
No, it's a U-turn!
Then wait! Wait!
Hit my truck again!
Dumb f***ing dumbass, dude! What the f***?
You want the ride your
Right here, bitch! I got this shit, dude!
camera! Take your camera, you hit my truck!
Because you almost killed me!
Watch where you're going!
I'm going straight!
The motorcyclist was asked to pull over by the police, but he chose to run away. Please obey traffic laws. The motorcycle crashes as the rider moves fast through the bends on the mountain road. Luckily, he is okay, but his R1 is badly damaged. A motorcyclist was suddenly pulled over by the police and had his motorbike driver's license checked. Let's see what happened.
Being recorded, okay?
Say again?
Being recorded.
Okay.
Trooper Bruce with the state police. You know how fast you're going?
65?
68, I got you going. You know what the speed limit is in the tunnel?
65?
45. You have your license on you?
Yeah, sure.
Registration? Get the registration for the bike?
That's
It's in
it.
the seat? Whose bike is this?
That's mine.
Your bike?
Yeah.
Alright, man, you can hop back on, okay? I'll be right back.
Alright.
So, you know, you drive in the city a lot?
Yes.
Alright, so you know how people drive in the city, right?
Say again?
You know how people drive in the city, right? In Boston? They're not that good. You know, if you're going 68, in the tunnel, alright, that's just a warning. Okay?
Thank you.
Alright, stay safe.
Alright. Yes, sir.
Oh shit. What the f? Oh my gosh.
No. There are no vehicles on this trail. Do you see me? You can hit me. There are kids here. What the f are you doing?
Karen got angry when the motorcyclist didn't give way to her to cross the bridge.
What are you doing?
I ride here every day. It's an e-bike.
No.
It's fine.
I can't even.
Are you gonna let me pass?
You're gonna hurt me.
I was going less than 10 miles an hour.
No, it doesn't matter. They're not supposed to be.
Ma'am, I ride this trail every day.
Hey.
There's no kids out here. Everything's
I-
fine. To call the cops.
Yeah.
Call the police.
I will.
All right.
No.
Am I free to leave?
No.
Am I free to leave?
No. Stay right there. Stay right there. Oh.
Oh, the motorcyclist with the GoPro didn't understand what the group meant. Luckily, neither of them had a strong collision.
Whoa!
The motorcyclist in front was so busy looking back to signal to the others in the group that he crashed into the curb. His safety gear kept him safe.
We're good. We're good, buddy.
The car crossed the road carelessly, making the motorcyclist angry.
Hey, mate. Mate, I'm not going to tell you off or anything, right? You're obviously a new driver, but you're going to kill a biker. Just be careful when you're coming on a slip road, boys. Yeah, just to prove there's no hard feelings. By the time you've eaten them, you'll feel a lot better. Drive safe, mate.
He rode my bike under a truck. That was crazy. Motorcycle crashes when the Yamaha R1 rider suddenly accelerated and lost control of the bike. Protective gear kept him safe. Almost crashed the motorcycle Yamaha MT9 2025 in the twisties. Luckily, the motorcyclist was able to handle the situation. Police stopped a BMW S1000 RR rider to check the motorcycle driver's license. Let's see what happens.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's up?
How you doing?
I'm all right.
Officer Singleton with the candid. Can you turn off the bike for me? Is it already off? Can I take the keys just for the stop?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead. What's up?
So you don't have a tag on the bike?
License, what else?
You got anything that has the VIN on it? Is it registered?
It's fully registered.
Okay.
Fully insured. Got my plate right in the back seat. I'm gonna take it out for you.
Okay.
Yep.
I appreciate you stopping too. You know, I didn't know you were going to for a minute.
I was like, I didn't do anything. I don't know why you told me.
Appreciate it, man. And you have the key too?
Yeah. I'm not gonna run.
Okay, I got you. I just do it because you know a lot of them don't stop.
I would have been out by now.
I appreciate it. Just hang tight for me for 1 second, okay? Alright, I'm just gonna make sure the VIN matches real quick and then you'll be good to go. Just make sure you get a make sure you get a bracket, okay?
Yeah, no problem, man. When is ready to do. Alright, yeah, man. If I was gonna run, man, I wouldn't have to.
I got you. I'll be honest, when you turned the corner, I thought you were gonna run. I was about to cut it. But I appreciate you stopping, man. That's why I'm letting you go and not letting you take it and not having a problem. Alright, take it easy, man. Yep.
Motorcyclist just close calls when white car crosses the road carelessly, making him angry. Stay safe out there, bro.
Amca. Bak senden ricam şu. Bak tamam mı?
Ya sana baktım araba girken ben de girdim.
Sen bakmadın amca. Çapraz çıktın yola bak.
Çağır polisi. Tamam davulluğa gelmiş. Tamam kardeşim. Ne yapıyorsun dayı?
Tamam yürü.
Ne yapıyorsun?
Lan yürü siktir git gerizekalı hareket yapma.
The rider of a Yamaha MT-7 crashed as he was traveling around a winding mountain road. I'm glad you're okay. Moving in rainy weather is very dangerous, like in this situation. Luckily, no collision occurred.
No. Okay.
Biker gets speeding ticket from Ohio State Trooper on his birthday.
You gotta slow down. You gotta be careful. We just had a fatal crash where a motorcycle ran into the back of the scene. You were doing 100 per day, but those things do happen.
All right, thank you.
Motorcyclist almost crashed at 130 plus km/h. Rear tire locked for 10 seconds. I'm glad he's safe. A motorcycle crash situation where the ZEX4 RR rider accelerated strongly before exiting the curve, causing the front wheel to slip.
Yeah! Crashed it! No!
Watching him go through the intersection made me nervous. Anyway, I'm glad he's safe.
Holy shit.
Oh shit.
The side-by-side rolled over right in front of the driver while traveling through the muddy road. Luckily, they were okay.
You alright?
Yeah, we're okay.
My brand new freaking side by side.
Ready, guys?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Hey, thanks, man.
Have a good one.
The motorcyclist was pulled over by the police for speeding. He had to get a ticket.
Yeah, I'm good, I'm good. Do you want me to show you on the camera?
My friend, listen.
A motorcyclist and a car driver got into an argument on the street. Please calm down.
Stop then, I see you.
You didn't, my
You
friend.
decided to put your acceleration down.
I didn't, mate.
Yes, you did.
I didn't.
Yes, you did. You went fast enough, right, to catch up to me as
Mate,
you're coming down the road.
I was in the
see you.
bus lane.
I see you.
Listen, I
see
was
you.
in the bus lane.
I see you.
Listen, yeah, I'm telling you
So
now.
just as I turned left, I see you coming behind me.
Yeah, but where was I then?
There was enough room behind
no,
you
no.
for me to swing around.
When I was behind you, where was
Why
I?
are you touching me?
When I was behind
you, touch me, man.
when I was behind
You got no
you,
need to touch me.
I didn't touch you,
You
man.
did
It was
you
by
touch my
mistake,
arm?
man.
Stand here and
I gotta go
talk
work.
to me, that ain't
I
enough.
come to talk to you because
Huh?
you done something wrong.
Listen, my friend, if I would have made you skid,
I did skid.
then I would have
You
done
didn't see.
wrong.
I did
Yeah?
skid.
You didn't skid and took it.
I was
what are
in
you
the-
lying for?
What do you mean?
Why are you lying?
You know how
Why
much
you
I missed
lying?
you by? Your
You didn't
bumper.
miss me at all. This another
Because you don't
YouTube
believe
this
me.
and YouTube that. Do you know what? If you put me on YouTube, right, I can get you done.
All right, okay.
Yeah? Do you know
We'll
what?
see who gets done.
Yeah.
Every situation on the road has a story, not just mistakes, but karma, reminding us of the fragility of life. If this resonates with you, please like, subscribe, and follow me for the next video, where the lessons will go even deeper.